Good day guys, welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to sync BlueStacks cloud save across multiple devices. Okay, so before we begin, you need to know that because BlueStacks is an emulator running isolated local disk partitions, it doesn't have a universal native button to push local Android save states directly to another computer. So we must deploy a server-side account anchor. So just open up your BlueStacks and then navigate to the internal settings or account menu layout. And avoid generic guest accounts entirely. Bind your character profile to a global provider. Google Play Games is the cleanest option for Android ecosystems, though developer IDs like Supercell or MiHuYo work perfectly. Okay, so you just need to find your Google Play Store. It's going to be right here under System Apps. Just launch it up. All right, guys, press on Get Started. And yeah, just go ahead and load your Play Store and log in into your account here. And now let's look at handling the background cloud state push to avoid data loss when swapping screens. So locate the account storage utility blocks and explicitly tap Force Cloud Save or Sync Progress to force an instant server-side metadata update. So just completely exit and close the application profile window on the first machine. Launching the game on your secondary device while a session is still active will trigger a corrupted state check or launch an outdated cloud layout cache. Also guys, you can manage your saves through Google Play Games. Open up this application, make sure to log in with the same Google account that you use in your Play Store. And in here guys, you can just, it will have all of your saves uploaded. So pretty much in the new computer, when you log in into the same accounts, you will have those saves easily with no problems. That's it guys for this one. Enjoy as always, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.